Hi, I'm Lori Corpuz, the project coordinator here at Absolute Green Energy, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to our company and the role we play in the solar industry. Absolute Green Energy is located at 92 Gardner Street in Worcester, Massachusetts, and you can call us at 508-459-5410 or visit us online at absolutegreenenergy.com. I will be presenting this slideshow as a guide to you, the homeowner, on who we are, what solar energy is, and to help you determine if Absolute Green Energy is the right next move for you. Absolute Green Energy was founded in 2008. It is the third company started by Glenn Floring, Mike Ortolano, and Nathan Smith. We are a new company with a strong 4 years under our belt providing photovoltaic solutions for our clients. So what kind of solutions do we offer exactly? Well, we are part of the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. As local solar experts, we are here to provide commercial and residential customized solar photovoltaic solutions throughout the state of Massachusetts. As integrators, our business designs, builds, and installs complete photovoltaic systems. Now, before we dive into discussing our personalized process, we need to understand solar power itself. You may ask, what is solar power? Well, solar power is also known as solar irradiation, and it is the total amount of solar energy accumulated on an area over time. Pretty simple, right? Now, the energy that expands outward from the sun in the form of waves or particles is known as radiation. And at any instant, there are 170 million gigawatts of radiation reaching the Earth at about 8 minutes. Now, to put this amount of energy in perspective, we can compare it to the outputs by the fossil fuels, coal, gas, nuclear, and oil. And although coal is the most abundant fossil resource, the amount of energy produced by burning all the coal on this planet would be equivalent to only 6 days of solar radiation. As an alternative to coal, natural gas is a greener option with less pollutants, and the total potential energy of the world's gas is equivalent to only about a day and a half of solar radiation. Nuclear, a dangerous option producing 20% of our electricity with waste byproducts, has a recoverable world reserve of fissionable uranium equivalent to less than a day and a half of solar radiation. Now, oil, our go-to energy source for transportation, has a global reserve with the potential to produce energy that is equivalent to the solar radiation one day. And as you can see, solar power is a more sustainable and abundant option that outlasts these current energy sources. Now that we can understand the amount of radiation provided by the sun, we need a way to harness this power into usable energy for residents and commercial operations. To do this, we use photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic cells are similar to semiconductors panels. Photovoltaic cells absorb the solar radiation and convert them to electricity for your home. So why choose solar-powered electricity? You may choose solar because it will reduce your carbon footprint towards a more sustainable future. But most people will choose to go solar because of the financial benefits. The first are government subsidies in the form of rebates that are allotted to reducing the cost of a solar PV system. These rebates are for homeowners that are eligible and range from $2,000 to $4,000. We deduct this from the total cost of your solar project. Additionally, there's a new auction system that allows you to sell the solar renewable energy certificates you receive based on your energy production back to the utility. This system, called the SREC auction system, helps promote both your investment in solar utility support in the renewable energy sector. Now, within the year, our customers have generated 65 megawatts of power. But how much is 65 megawatts? A typical home uses 10,000 kilowatts each year, so the power generated within the past year displays power for 6.5 houses for the entire year. Now, to put this number in a financial perspective, our customers will have gained about $35,000 if they sold their SRECs before July 15th of 2012. Now, after July 15th, the SRECs can be sold at a minimum of $285 per megawatt. And along with the SREC system, there is a huge reduction in your energy bill and a full return on investment on your system within approximately 5 years. Now, all these financial benefits sound great, but let's provide you with an example of what Absolute Green Energy provides their clients if they are on the edge of choosing to go solar. To show our clients how they will save through solar, we provide a 20-page analysis of projected savings customized to the particular home based on electricity bills. This analysis is provided in our sales contract, but can also be set up for those interested in viewing the financial benefits of solar. In our analysis, we have graphs displaying energy usage and cost before and after going solar. We can use a recent customer's analysis as an example. First, the analysis includes the annual electricity bill savings over a 25-year span, accounting for the expected inflation. Second, we have bar graphs displaying the monthly electricity bill savings you should expect. The blue bars portray the customer's current electricity bills throughout the year, and the green bars emphasize the projected new electrical bill after the installation of their solar system. This client's electric bill was reduced by 83%, and we've calculated that, on average, our clients save up to 71% of their electrical bill annually, and this is very significant. Our third graph is comparing the monthly electric use with the amount supplied through. You can see that only 15% of the client's projected annual electric bill is covered by utility. Additionally, we can provide an energy bill estimate that is a condensed analysis of energy usage and cost per month for the first year. And our last graph is a financial analysis that includes your break-even point and where you should expect to be financially in 25 years. For this particular customer, they should expect returns on their investment. And although finances may be more of an incentive to go solar, you must realize that you will play a vital role in our future by promoting sustainability. Solar energy is a sustainable energy option with the added benefits of not contributing to noise or pollution. Sustainable development in and of itself promotes the balance between environment, economics, and our lives. So in choosing solar for your electricity, you will benefit financially and feel great about the reduction of your carbon footprint. Now that we have an understanding of solar power and its benefits, we can discuss what solutions we can provide you if you choose to go solar. Absolute Green Energy provides consulting and installation that are similar in process whether your photovoltaic solution is a roof or ground mount. First, we begin with a site assessment. Now, more than half the buildings are not fit for solar photovoltaic installation because of the orientation of the building. Obstructions like trees can undermine the solar access of the location of the equipment. Also, for roof mounts, you will need newer roofs for the support of arrays. Otherwise, we can also offer ground mounts as an alternative solution. Along with this site assessment, we offer approximated energy audits from your energy bill as a starting platform for evaluating how to reduce energy costs. Next, our mechanical engineers design your system based on the measurements and photos we documented from the site assessment. This design is essentially the blueprint for the installation of your system. And throughout the process, we are also completing the paperwork necessary for the city, utility, labor, grants, and rebates. And finally, there's the installation of your solar PV array. Once you receive the equipment, we can install and provide maintenance for your system. We will provide you with a personalized link for your system that will allow you to monitor your system's performance the way we do. The only thing left to do is enjoy your reduced electric bill and profit from selling your SRECs back to the utility. Now, if you're looking for an estimate of savings, you may send us a copy of your electric bill or set up an appointment for a site assessment. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions at info@absolutegreenenergy.com. And for additional information, you can follow us on Facebook, Flickr, LinkedIn, RSS feeds, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.